Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well today. So today I'm doing another what Shelley Carruthers calls a faux coloured base. It basically means you put your pillow paint down and then you put a colour on top of it, and that spins out, tilts off, however you decide to do it, and you don't see the white, you see your actual colour. And why we do this is, instead of having to buy house paint in colours, which depending where you live in Australia, house paint is quite expensive for us. So by putting this on top of your pillow, it just means you just don't have to keep buying different coloured pillows. You can just always use your white, put that on top, just a thin amount on top, and you end up with that as your background colour. Okay, so that said, my colours. This little piggy in Hustle, which is a neon magenta. This little piggy in Lemon Sorbet. Liquitex Gouache in Ultramarine. This is what I used on my base in the last one. It's Global Warm Red. And I don't know if I'm going to use both selectivators, but anyway. Rich Gold by Atelier, which I'm definitely using. And I might use this as well. I think I will actually. And this is my mixture of Amsterdam and Atelier, equal parts of both. Titanium white, and both of these are mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of the Floetrol to 1 part of paint, but that is just me estimating because I don't measure anything. I never have. It's just me. When I cook, I don't measure. Substrate, it's a 13-inch MDF round, already primed. Lazy Susan, it's a 20-inch glass Lazy Susan, and on top I've got a 24-inch wood round, and then on top of this is a silicone pour mat from fluid-art.co, where you get your little piggies from. So let's get busy.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while.
So do you like what I've done with the embellishments? Do you think I've spoilt it? Do you prefer it before, very minimal? Or do you like it now? I like it now. I did like it before, but it just looked too minimalistic. I really like it with this chrome pen, this gold chrome pen that I bought from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box for you in case you want to get some. They come in a pack of 3 with 3 different nib sizes. So if you like it, please hit the like button and please share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And everything you need to know will be in the description box below. Click on the video title and it will open up, and all the information you need to know is in there. So thanks for being here, guys. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.